Window opens to the left. During installation, position it as shown in the video. Button on the left indicates the window opens to the left. This is the window opener's remote control. Press the button to power on. The indicator light will illuminate, accompanied by a long beep. Press the first button on the remote to open. The opener's arm will extend forward. Press the second button on the remote to close. Select the appropriate installation accessories and method based on the actual condition of the window frame. Remove the cover from this bracket. Align the bracket with the opener's slot. Loosely secure the bracket on the opener's arm. Ensuring it is parallel to the opener. Place the opener on the windowsill, approximately 15 to 20 centimeters from the window edge. Mark the bracket positions and drill holes. Secure the bracket with appropriate screws and replace the cover. Close the window. Place the opener onto the window. Align the bracket on the opener's arm with the window and mark the position. Drill holes and install this bracket. Open the window. Place the opener, start it, and pause midway. Reattach it to the bracket on the arm. Press the button again. The window moves towards the closed position. Not fully closed at this point. Press the button, the window moves towards the open position. The window stops before fully opening. After the opener is fixed to the window, configure the obstruction detection force for closing. Press the remote to close the window. But now, the window does not close fully. Press and hold the fourth button on the remote for 5 seconds. A long beep indicates entry into configuration mode. The first button decreases the force value. The second button increases the force value. Press the second button once, the buzzer will beep 5 times. Because the default obstruction force level is 4. Press the second button once more. The buzzer will beep 6 times, indicating level 6. Finally, press the fourth button to confirm and exit configuration mode. NR operates normally. The window now closes fully. Adjust as needed, obstruction force adjustable from 1 to 10. Now enter the stroke learning mode. Press and hold the fourth button on the remote for 5 seconds. A long beep indicates entry into configuration mode. Simultaneously press and hold the third and fourth buttons on the remote. Press and hold the second button on the remote to close the window. Release the button once the window is fully closed. Press the fourth button to confirm. Press and hold the first button on the remote to open the window. Release the button only after the window is fully open to 90 degrees. Press the fourth button to confirm. Setup is now successful. Press the remote to close the window and verify normal operation again. The window is now fully closed. Press the remote to open the window. The window is now fully open. Installation complete.